Hi friends. Today we are going to learn English through story. The Golden Egg. Once upon a time, there lived a cloth merchant in a village, with his wife, and 2 children. They were indeed quite well off. They had a beautiful hen, which laid an egg every day. It was not an ordinary egg, rather, a golden egg. But, the man was not satisfied with what he used to get daily. He was a get-rich-twice kind of a person. The man wanted to get all the golden eggs from his hen at one single go. So, one day he thought hard, and at last clicked upon a plan. He decided to kill the hen and get all the eggs together. So, the next day, when the hen laid a golden egg, the man caught hold of it, took a sharp knife, chopped off its neck, and cut its body open. There was nothing but blood all around, and no trace of any egg at all. He was highly grieved, because now he would not get even one single egg. His life was going on smoothly, with 1 egg a day, but now, he himself made his life miserable. The outcome of his greed was that he started becoming poorer and poorer day by day, and ultimately became a pauper. How jinxed, and how much foolish he was. Moral: one who desires more loses all. One should remain satisfied with what one gets. Comment below from which country you are watching The Golden Egg story. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time everyone.